The Lost Compass, Finding Moral Direction in a Shifting World. Complete moral story. In a modern world filled with noise, trends, and shortcuts, lived a young man named Adam. He believed success came from speed, not values. His compass, gifted by his father, always reminded him to stay honest and kind. One day, amid rush and ambition, Adam lost the compass. Without it, he followed others blindly, lying once, ignoring someone in need, choosing profit over truth. Though he gained quick success, peace escaped him. One evening, he saw an old man struggling to cross the road. Adam hesitated, then helped him. That simple act filled his heart with calm. At that moment, Adam understood. Morals don't come from objects, they come from choices. He never found the compass again, but he never needed it. Moral: in a shifting world, character is the only true direction.